In a previous video marketing tip, we talked about deciding what action you want your audience to take and the importance of being clear what that action is at the outset. I have several very practical reasons for encouraging you to do that, not least because it means you can work backwards. What do I mean by that? Well, let's suppose you want the person watching your video to sign up for your email list. Once you know that, you can work backwards from that outcome by thinking through what is it going to take for your audience to enter their email or follow a link to your sign-up page. Why would they do that? What will you offer people to encourage them to join your list? For example, you might decide to offer something valuable in exchange, such as a free report, tutorial, or discount. But introducing your offer probably isn't enough to make your audience part with their email. So your video may need to show how your offer can benefit the person watching. Finally, you tell them how to access your offer, in this case by providing you with their email address. Working backwards in this way should help you focus on the key steps you need to take inside your video to persuade your audience to take the precise action you want.